Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today's Tuesday, December 13th. What a battle today. First, early in the morning, ran them up pretty good. They were looking real good. And then by 1 o'clock, they were back down looking pretty bad again. They knocked them all the way back down to yesterday's lows, and they held. Looked questionable for a moment, but buyers showed up exactly where they were supposed to, down at that big support area, and they ended up closing them on a plus tick. I wouldn't say I was jumping up and down with the close, but I was pleased with it. I was pleased with the close. Now I have to say it was a split decision, but I'm going to give the day to the bulls only because the buyers showed up where they were supposed to, and they basically closed the market on a plus tick. Now, I cannot say 100% that the market has turned the corner yet. We need to make a higher high over today's high. Now, today was not able to make a higher high over yesterday's high. So we need that to happen first before I can say with any kind of assurance that the market's probably going to find its rally legs again. So we will definitely know. I know I've been saying this for a few days, but we'll definitely know by tomorrow or the next day, whether or not the market's going to start to lift out of here. Judging by today, I was encouraged with today's action. In particular, the Russell 2000 just has a nice looking day, closed almost on the high of the day, and of all the indexes, I think that probably is the nicest looking one of all of them. So we'll take a look at all the indexes. I'll show you what I'm looking for to happen, so I can say with a little bit more confidence that the market's going to turn the corner here. I'm not going to highlight anything new for another day or two until I get a little better feeling as to the market rallying back up again. So without further ado, let's go take a look at the major indexes. Okay, here's our oh-so-familiar daily bar chart of the Dow Jones. And we all know in the last couple of days that this is the key spot right here. And although we came down and touched it, didn't penetrate it. But what we need tomorrow is we need a day where this high, today's high, gets taken out by tomorrow's action. And if we can accomplish that, that would definitely help change the picture to where we need a turn here. We're looking for a turn. But this is the key spot right in here, so we'll keep an eye on that. And here's a daily bar chart of the transportation average. And this is our key spot right here. And you can see we actually penetrated it today, but closed right at it. So it does not constitute as a penetration unless it closes below. So also tomorrow we're looking for a day where we can rally up and get a higher high over today's high. So we'll see if we can accomplish that. Now you can see we're down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row on this pullback. So we'll see what tomorrow brings in the transportation average. Okay, here's the daily bar chart of the Russell 2000, and that's our key spot. I actually didn't quite get down to it, and what I like about today's action in the Russell 2000 is how it closed almost on the high of the day. So hopefully tomorrow we can get a high higher than today's high, and that'll go a long way in helping the market make this turn here. We're looking for their turn. We're looking for some kind of action like this right in here. We're looking for that to develop over on this side now. Okay, and here's last but not least the QQQs, top 100 NASDAQ stocks. And this is our key area right here, this whole low. And you can see we haven't really gotten down there. There's actually some wiggle room left in this chart. I prefer not to use it, but nevertheless there is still some wiggle room. But what we're looking for in this chart also is we're looking for some kind of a turn like this. So what we need to get at least tomorrow is a higher high over today's high, and we'll see what that brings. But like I said, at least some buyers showed up down here in this area where they were supposed to, and we'll see if they return tomorrow. Okay, so until tomorrow, that's my view of the market. And this is TK signing off.